let's read the text. The worry. The worry. Do you see the picture over here? Yes, a king is standing here. It's a garden. It's a beautiful garden. Lots of flowers are here. Let's read. Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. Okay, so he is Vidyadhara. His kingdom is Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. He was a very good king. He ruled very well. He was just and wise king. The king was fond of gardening. The hobby of the king was gardening. What is your hobby? Write down. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest plants, fruit trees, vegetables, and crops. So, he was fond of gardening. He planted many plants here. That is why it is a beautiful place. His people were very happy. The king did not have children. As the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. So we came to know that why the title is The Worry. The king and his people were worried because the king did not have a child. Why? Why are they so worried? Who would take over the kingdom after him? That was the worry. Who would rule after King Vidyadhara? Okay. Now let's read the question. What was the hobby of the king? That you can find out from here. The king did not have any children. What will happen to the kingdom? If there was no king, what would be the situation of the kingdom? You can find out. How will the king find his successor? That's another question. Do you have any idea? How will the king find his successor? Think about. Now let's see. A proclamation. A proclamation. Do you see the picture over here? The king Vidyadhara is sitting on his throne. We call the chair of the king throne. A god is standing over here. Minister and then again a god. Minister and king were talking about something. You can see the people over here. It's a Darbar hall. Okay, let's see what's going on. To find a successor, the king thought of an idea. He decided, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. That was the idea. He will distribute some seeds to all the children in Gandhara, and they can grow the seed very well. They can take care of that. And who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the successor of King Vidyadhara. Okay. And they can take 3 months for it. Yes, the children have enough time. 3 months. Okay. The king ordered his minister to give a proclamation. So here the discussion is going on. The king ordered his minister to prepare a proclamation, to give a proclamation. What is proclamation? An announcement of king's message. So in olden times, they play a drum and read the message or the order by the king loudly in an area. And when the people hear the sound of the drum, they will gather over there and the gods will read the message. In that way, in olden times, they convey the message or order of the king. So that is the proclamation. Why did the king choose such a test to find his successor? Think about that. And now, for preparing or for giving a proclamation, the minister has to prepare a notice. He has to write the order of the king. So, help the minister to write the notice. What are the things that he should include in the notice? Okay? Will you write?